We got Leo Cannyn, Beryl Engineering. What say you, sir?
Well, I've noticed this. We're doing a lot more commercial inspections right now during this time of the year because I guess people going back to school, so businesses are able to jump into the real estate market. It's like with residential real estate, when you have landscaping in front of your house and the fence, the white fence, that's curb appeal. What commercial people aren't doing is their driveways, their parking lots. They all look like crap. They unravel. It's expensive to mill and pave asphalt, and it's just like every commercial inspection we're doing, they're getting dinged, and the buyer's like, "Oh, I don't know if I want this. I have to spend $30,000 to repave the asphalt." And they talk like that too.
Yeah, what city is that from?
St. Pete.
Oh, okay, so you got that accent in St. Pete.
They do have that.
Oh, okay.
We're surrounded by it. It's in Polk County. It's in St. Pete. It's just
it's everywhere.
It's everywhere. But yeah, I just see so many businesses let their parking lots go to crap. Literally go to crap.
Yeah. So when you're doing, what are the key factors as well this time of year is the roofing, the hurricane season we're in right now. It's we're getting, I think, record rainfall again. We're getting a lot of rainfall, but when you're helping people out there, so you're seeing that aspect of it.
Yeah, just commercial. They neglect that. They'll neglect electrical. I have yet to do a commercial inspection where the HVAC has passed the inspection.
Wow.
It's just neglect. It goes on to those. I have a property manager, and they do the bare minimum as far as maintenance of the building.
That's right.
They'll paint the garage, they'll paint the sidewalls, but the asphalt is shredding, and the air conditioner isn't working.
Yeah. Now, Beryl Engineering Project Management. You're a project manager with Beryl Engineering. You help folks also with the any type of sinkhole activity, soil settling, those types of issues. Are you seeing an uptick in that?
Not really. I mean, it really hasn't been. We've had a lot of rain, but we haven't had a lot of rain in a short period of time. So to get these sinkhole activities to open up, which is generally going to be April to June,
right?
It's when we get the beginning of the rainy season and we get a lot of rain in a short period of time.
Right.
So, I mean, there's been sinkhole activity this year. There always is, but it's been not in this area.
Yeah. Well, that's good. Where is it at? North?
Other countries.
Yeah. Other counties?
Other countries.
Countries?
Okay. Countries.
So, Leo Cannyn here on the Consumer Quarterback Show. I'm your host, Brandon Rhymes. So, when you look at the Tampa Bay region as well, here we are. We're appreciating. It's a great place to be. Record numbers of people moving to the area. Which sometimes, I talk to people at lunch in different places about the traffic. We've got millions of people moving to Florida. I think it was about a year ago that we actually surpassed New York, the state of New York, as number 3. In terms of population, most populated states. So
yeah, that was exciting. So many people from New York moved here. We took their electoral college votes.
Did we really?
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't realize that.
Yeah, that's
so
right.
the electoral.
We took them. We took them.
Nice. Yeah. So now what you got? California, Texas, and then us, I guess.
Yeah.
Right? Very cool.
Very exciting. That makes this even more of a swinger state.
Yeah.
Swing state.
Swing state. There you go. Well, depending on what part of Tampa Bay you're in, right? So when you look at the infrastructure, what do you think in terms of, not to get too political or into politics, but, when you look at the infrastructure where we're at, I mean, it seems like traffic's just backing up, man.
Yeah, it's just, I never want to be on the St. Pete side heading to Tampa anytime after 3:30 in the afternoon.
Right.
I always make my appointments so I can get back over the bridge before I hit the rush hour, because that split between the veterans and I-275, it's murder, because everything slows to a screech because you have that little lane to scoot over, and then you have the 3 lanes merging on. It's just not pretty.
Malfunction Junction, that's one of them, I guess.
That's I-4 and 275 on the other side.
Yeah.
That one's not as bad because at least I can take Columbus.
Right. Yeah, there you go. All right, so when we come back, more from our expert contributors. We got Leo Cannyn in the house. We got attorney Richard Alexander, and we have Gary Thacker as well coming up. So stay with us right here. Do not touch that dial. You're listening to the Consumer Quarterback Show. We would love a follow as well online, Instagram, Twitter @BrandonRhymes1, Facebook.com. Parting words of wisdom, Leo Cannyn, Beryl Engineering.
Oh, well, I've learned today, I know the listeners can't see it, but I've been flashing the 1380, the biz card.
Now they can.
Then I grabbed the one off the wall, and now I'm grabbing the super huge one. So the larger these things get, the harder they become to flash on the small camera. That's what I've learned today.
There you go. Amongst other things, right?
Well, I've learned a lot of things, but the most important thing to me is how to appreciate the aspect ratio of the camera.
There you go. Good stuff. All right. You never know what you're getting with Leo.